Alright, let's talk about the scalping and how to spot some quick opportunities in the market. Imagine the market like a busy street, right? Lots of people walking around doing their thing. Now some of those people have little stop loss signs on them. Like when you put a note on your fridge saying, "Don't eat this." It's supposed to protect something valuable. Well, the big players in the market, they know where those signs are. They're like shoppers who know exactly where the best deals are hidden. They come along and grab those stops, causing a quick little move. That's what we call liquidity sweep. Now we need a way to see those sweep happening. That's where our liquidity sweep filter comes in. Think of it like a special set of glasses that lets you see those hidden deals. It helps us see those little shifts in the market, those moments when the big players are grabbing those stop losses. We're looking at things like the volume, how much trading is happening, and the price action, how the price is moving. This filter helps us put all together like a puzzle. So let's dig in and learn how to use this filter to find those quick trades. So to get it on your chart, you just jump over to the trading view, hit the indicators button, and type in liquidity sweep filter. Make sure you grab the one by Algo Alpha. Now here's where we make it work even better. You gotta tweak a few things. Don't worry, it's super easy. In the input section, just change the length to 9. Boost the multiplier to 2.3. And make sure the source is set to close. Then give the major sweep threshold a bump up to 45. After that, head over to the Style tab and just keep the bullish trend and bearish trends options checked. Uncheck everything else. Boom. Now the signals are way clearer. You'll see those spots where the market being sweeping up liquidity really helps you get a feel for what's going on. But here's the thing. It doesn't tell you exactly which way the trend is going. It shows you the sweep, but figuring out the big picture trend is a whole other story. And that's where my second secret weapon comes in. The triple trend indicator. Now this thing is super cool. It's like having 3 different sets of eyes on the market all at once. What it does, it calculates 3 bands, kinda like moving averages, but way more dynamic. It uses different types of averages like simple, exponential, and weighted, and then it throws at something called ATR multipliers, which basically adapts to how volatile the market is. The magic is in where these bands show up. If they're below the price, it's a pretty good sign we're in an uptrend. If they're above the price, you guess it, downtrend. It gives you this really clear visual way to see where the market's headed. Adding it to your chart is just as easy as the first one. You just hop back over to the indicator section on TradingView, type in triple trend indicator. And make sure you grab the one by Big Beluga. It's that simple. Now you've got 2 powerful tools working together, giving you a much clearer picture of what's really going on in the market. And trust me, once you start using these together, you'll see things in a whole new light. Okay, so we've got the triple trend indicator on our chart, right? It's already showing us those bands, giving us a feel for the trend. But like with any good tool, we can make it even better. Just a few quick tweaks and we'll have it dialed in perfectly. Think of it like tuning an instrument. We need to get it just right. So first thing, let's head over to the input section. On input section of the indicator, you'll see an option called length. Let's bump that up to 200. This basically makes the indicator look at longer period of time, giving us a smoother and more reliable trend reading. Next, we're gonna change the MA type to EMA. That's a short for exponential moving average. It puts more weight on recent price action, which is super helpful for catching those quicker trend changes. Now for a little bit of personal customization, let's talk colors. You can really choose whatever you like, but I personally prefer using green for uptrends and red for downtrends. It's just making it super easy to see what's happening at a glance. Oh, one more thing, don't forget to enable the bar color option. This will actually color the candles on your chart based on the trend, making it even easier to see those shifts. And that's it. Just a few simple adjustments and we've got the triple trend indicator working at its absolute best. Okay, so we've got these awesome tools, right? The liquidity sweep filter and the triple trend indicator. But let's get down to the real question. How we do actually make some money with this strategy. It's not just about seeing the signals, it's about knowing how to act on them. Think of it like a driving. You can see the road signs, but you still need to know the rules of the road. So here's the deal. First, let's talk about uptrends. When the price candles are hanging out above those triple trends indicator, that's our cue. We're in an uptrend. And we're only looking for buy signals. Ignore those sell signals. Trust me, they're just gonna lead to headaches. Now, when we do get a buy signal, where do we put our stop loss? Well, we can use those triple lines as a guide, or those swing lows, those little dips in the price. It's about finding a spot where you're comfortable with the risk. And for your target, a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 is a good starting point. Basically, you're aiming to make twice as much as you're risking. And here's the golden rule, stick to the trend. If it's uptrend, only take buy trades. If it's downtrend, only take sell trades. It's all about going with the flow, riding the wave. When those price candles are below the triple trend lines, that's our sign for downtrend. Now we flip the script. We ignore all those buy signals and only look for sell positions. Because remember, we always want to trade in the direction of the trends. This is how you really maximize your profits and minimize those losses. It's all about being patient, waiting for the right signals, and sticking to your plan. And trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at how much more consistent your trading becomes.